The world of work is changing and there's a new character on the scene. Artificial intelligence, or AI. Forget the sci-fi robots. AI isn't here to take over, but to join the team. Think of AI as a brilliant if quirky colleague who volunteers for the boring jobs, endless spreadsheets, data entry, repetitive tasks. AI excels at these, sorting information in seconds and spotting patterns we might miss. This isn't about replacing people. It's about freeing us to do what we do best. Think, create, and connect. Across offices worldwide, AI is quietly revolutionizing work, one smart tool at a time. Instead of fearing change, many are finding it liberating. Imagine spending less time on admin and more time brainstorming with your team. Machines handle the mechanical parts, leaving humans to focus on meaningful, creative work. The promise of AI is better collaboration, not conflict. It augments our abilities, making teams stronger and ideas more powerful. Human ingenuity, amplified by machine intelligence, is the new partnership. We're just at the beginning of this journey. The future of teamwork includes a clever new friend. Let's see what happens next. Freedom at work often means escaping the mundane. Take an accountant. AI can automate hours of invoice checks, freeing them to analyze trends and advise on strategy. With routine tasks handled, people can focus on creative problem solving and collaboration. At Unilever, AI screens job applications, letting recruiters spend more time with top candidates and build a more human hiring process. Across industries, AI gives us the gift of time. Time to think, innovate, and connect. It's not about replacing people, but liberating them from routine. By automating the boring bits, AI lets us be more creative and strategic. The result? Smarter work, not just harder work. AI handles the data, humans handle the connection. This is the future, people empowered to do what only people can do. AI makes work more human. Today's teams are global, spread across cities, countries, and time zones. AI-powered tools are the digital glue, holding remote teams together. Smart project management software updates timelines and notifies everyone of changes automatically. AI transcription services create instant records of meetings so no one misses key decisions. Atlassian's tools like Jira and Trello use AI to predict delays and summarize long discussions, cutting through digital noise. Real-time translation features break down language barriers, making collaboration seamless. AI ensures everyone stays aligned no matter where they are. It acts as a tireless coordinator, keeping information flowing and teams connected. Remote work becomes more efficient, inclusive, and collaborative. Distance is no longer a barrier to great teamwork. AI is redefining what it means to work together. Let's talk about cobots. Collaborative robots designed to work alongside humans. Unlike traditional robots, cobots share workspaces and assist with tasks, making manufacturing and logistics safer and more efficient. Imagine a factory where cobots handle heavy lifting, while humans focus on quality control and problem solving. Workers even name and decorate their cobots, seeing them as teammates, not threats. This partnership reduces injuries, boosts morale, and lets people focus on engaging work. Productivity rises and job satisfaction improves. Cobots are more than tools. They're part of the team. They augment human abilities, creating safer, more efficient workplaces. The result is a friendlier, more collaborative environment. Human and machine, working side by side, achieve more together. The future of work is a team effort, with robots included. So, where does this all lead? AI now helps us brainstorm, refine ideas, and break creative barriers. Tools like Grammarly and generative models act as attentive editors, making writing and collaboration smoother. In brainstorming, AI can suggest concepts, play devil's advocate, and spark new directions. Teams feed ideas into AI, which generates fresh slogans or concepts, pushing creativity further. AI is a catalyst for human imagination, not a replacement. Used wisely, AI takes on drudgery, connects us, and helps us be more creative. The goal isn't a world run by machines, but one where humans, assisted by AI, achieve more. The future of work is a partnership, bright, collaborative, and full of possibility. Let's embrace it.